How to get rid of gum on footwear. Peanut butter. Make use of a butter knife to generously rub a glob of peanut butter within the gum. After 10 to 15 minutes the gum should begin to soften and be won using the peanut butter. Once this occurs, scrape, then clean all of your shoe with water and soap to get rid of any peanut butter or gum remains. Hooray! WD-40 or compressed air cans. Spray on the gum until it hardens, after scrap from the offender having a butter knife. A canister of compressed air may also operate in a pinch. They contain freezing cold air which could also harden the gum, making it simpler to get rid of. Freezer. Stick your shoe inside a plastic bag using the gum pressed tightly from the plastic. Allow it to harden within the freezer for a couple of hours. Whenever you go ahead and take bag out, pull the plastic away from the shoe, and also the gum should remove using the plastic. If there's any gum remains remaining, you are able to pick having a butter knife or toothpick. We repeat, don't attempt to choose together with your hands. That's gross and unsanitary, so we know your mom trained you best. Ice cube. If you are tight on time, try rubbing a piece of ice within the gum for 10 to 20 minutes. It ought to freeze and switch putty-like. Do as instructed above for sanitary removal.